Alright, just doing the next part of this sawmill. So I have it painted up there. The next part's going to be building the track for it to run on. I'll show you what I got for it here. So I got these out of the scrap yards. I think I paid 60 quid for everything, and 3 lengths of heavy gauge steel, angle iron, 3 inch by 2 inch, and these box sections here, it all came to 60 quid. They're a wee bit long and they cut off. I was looking to have 4 of them, but there was only 3 of them, so I'll put 3 of them on for an hour. If I need more, I can always add it. So I'll get these inside tonight, and then in the morning I'll get stuck into it and start making these. Alright, I just brought these rails in here last night, so I want to get stuck into it here and get this put together, and hopefully by the end of the day I can put the sawmill head on the track and roll it up and down. So I'll stick these on time lapse and get stuck into it. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. I just finished building this track here. I'll just show you what I've come up with. So these things here, I'm going to use them to lap the log in. I'm going to drill a hole and put a threaded bar with a bit of rebar on it or something so I can tighten that up. Same with this one here. And then these here, you can put longer ones in as well. There's 3 of them on there, and then that wee bit there, just put on for the last cut. Still need to tidy that up a wee bit. We'll see if it's going alright. I'll give it a wee push here so you can see it. I need a wee bit of weight on it too. The motor and stuff will weight it down and make it go up and down a bit handier. Still have to grease everything up. And these wheels are a wee bit stiff, but I'll put a bit of grease on them, see if that helps. And if it doesn't, I'll maybe change them. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. That's part 5. The next part's going to be putting this all back together and getting the log and putting it on. And doing the first cut. So I can't wait for that. So if you want to keep up to date, hit the subscribe button and give me a wee thumbs up. Thanks.